Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious tuna fish fry. We will start by gathering our essential ingredients. You will need about 1 pound of fresh tuna fillets, ensuring they are clean and ready. Next, prepare your flavorful marinade using common kitchen spices. Finally, have approximately 1/2 cup of cooking oil ready for the frying process. This initial preparation sets the stage for a perfect dish. Now let's create that amazing marinade. In a bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste with 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt for balanced flavor. Thoroughly coat your tuna fillets with this vibrant spice mixture. Let the fish marinate for at least 30 minutes, or for up to 2 hours in the refrigerator, to infuse all those wonderful flavors. It's time to fry our delicious tuna. Heat about 1/2 cup of your preferred cooking oil in a large pan over medium-high heat. Once the oil is shimmering, carefully place the marinated tuna fillets into the hot pan. Fry each side for approximately 3 to 4 minutes, or until they turn a beautiful golden brown and are cooked through. Remember to avoid overcrowding the pan for the best results. Your mouth-watering tuna fish fry is now ready to enjoy. Garnish it with fresh lemon wedges for a bright, zesty finish. Serve this delightful dish immediately with a side of fluffy rice or a crisp, fresh salad. For an extra crispy texture, consider lightly dusting the fillets with rice flour before frying. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.